Loris International provides a structured approach which enables our clients to deliver rapid improvement, but it also transfers the skills to their personnel so that they can deliver the same sorts of improvements on an ongoing basis, and that ensures the sustainability. While our backgrounds are from food and fast-moving consumer goods, we also have proven the approach in steel industries, in mills and in foundries, and also in the financial service sectors and the insurance sector. There are three key elements in any change process. So there's the inclination, the ability, and the time. The management need to want to make the change or the improvement, so they're providing the leadership for the inclination. Secondly, you need a toolkit that the employees can use so that they can know what to improve and how to do it, and that's the ability. And then thirdly, you need management processes to ensure that the right people have got the time to make that improvement. First of all, any improvement program needs to deliver a rapid rate of return on the investment. But the true measure of the improvement is an increase in the rate of improvement on an ongoing basis. Loris International is fully committed to providing this, and that's why we have a guarantee in every proposal that we issue.
Before you can change the culture of an organisation, you first of all have to change the behaviours of the personnel. Behaviours stem from beliefs, so that's why it's important to challenge those beliefs and have the training and coaching that will explain the why, not just the what. Management set the direction, but the shop floor consistently come up with the best solutions if you only give them the time, the training, and the permission to make improvement. The Rapid Lean approach starts with building a plan for improvement that focuses on the biggest opportunities, even if they're not necessarily the easiest. Once you've built the plan, you then drive early results through a series of impact workshops, which not only give people experience of making improvement, but also drives actual value to the bottom line. Then the process is supported through knowledge-based mentoring in operational excellence techniques, which allow the improvement journey to be supported. With Whitby Seafoods, it was important to build early credibility through getting results. So we ran a series of 3 workshops which delivered real results to the bottom line. There wasn't a lot of overhead within the business to support a large program, and the workforce hadn't come across this type of improvement before.
Whitby Seafoods is a family business. We specialise in manufacturing scampi and other coated frozen seafood. We supply UK retailers and food service, and we're the biggest scampi manufacturer in the UK. About 3 years ago, we realised that perhaps we were missing out on opportunities due to shorting customers, and we got in touch with Loris International through a contact, and they came and pitched. We were very impressed with the data that they presented, and so we gave it a go, and we found that there was a lot of free speed on the line which we could release using some of the techniques that they trained us in, and we ended up with something like 30 to 40% extra capacity with practically no capital investment.
The workshops and the training have been very useful because it gives you a very structured and organised thought pattern when problem solving and implementing that problem solving method.
Weetabix was already well on its improvement journey, and so we supported a programme of improvement through powerful shop floor engagement by building a plan, working with the team leaders, and running a series of impact workshops.
Loris worked with us in 3 ways really. Directly with the team itself, providing skills, training, expertise and facilitation to the group that worked on solving a number of their own problems. They worked in a change way with the leadership team to help them understand a little bit about their changed roles as a consequence of this improvement group. And thirdly, they helped by transferring their skills into 2 of our team members who've gone on to roll that process out in other areas.
Since Loris have come into our business, the improvements on the factory floor has been tremendous. Even the morale of people has grown. We all know how to deal with problems on the factory floor, and our efficiencies are now on target week on week, which was never achievable before.
What it's told us really is that that approach about solving problems through engaged teams needs to be our way of doing business. And it's something that we're now rolling out through the rest of the Weetabix estate. And so the things that we've learned in the fast lean implementation is being deployed through the rest of our group.
Globally, many of our manufacturing clients are being squeezed, They're seeing significant increases in raw materials, and because of the economic climate, they're not finding it possible to pass those on in with significant price increases. And that's leaving operational improvement as the key area to make a difference to sustaining margins and protecting shareholder value. Our challenge going forward is to keep the approach simple. However, we are expanding the tools and techniques that we offer our clients. And finally, what people need to remember is improvement is a journey, not a destination or an event. And that's equally applicable to our own business as it is to our clients.